Dudut, professionally, your name has been linked to the history shitter, Zenito and all, professionally. But politically, you are still, your party is looking out for the mastermind. Something on this?
I absolutely, I'm laughing at it because I think this has been propagated by Bharatiya Janata Party after I took up on Bharatiya Janata Party yesterday. I've been a lawyer for 27 years, one of the most sought after lawyers, and I take pride in that because, I have represented the worst of the criminals, and then that has been my professional, as a profession, as a lawyer, I have done that. I have defended many of the Congress as well as BJP MLAs, BJP ministers who are right now part of the cabinet of BJP. That does not make me a criminal, nor does it take away the fact that I have been a good lawyer. Now, as a politician, it's a different role which I am playing for last few years. And, taking up something like which is 12, 13-year-old kid and saying that, my association with Zenito, I think it is on record to say, and Mr. Zenito, I think, has been on record, Zenito Cardoso has been on record, who had expressed his complete support to the, during last election to the BJP MLA who contested, Mr. Tony. And they all worked together to defeat me as far as Santa Cruz constituency is concerned. So I don't think I need to say it in more louder words. The videos of Zenito are on the social media, which I think they should see before they make any aspersions or cast any aspersions on a person or like me who has dedicated my life to people of Goa. We are here to serve people of Goa. I think Rama surely knows who is his friend, and Rama has been a friend to me for last few years that in my political career, and we have been guiding each other when it comes to people of Goa are concerned, or Goa's issues are concerned. Even today, I think Rama has put that faith in me, and while I held his hand when I saw when he was at the hospital, that was hand of friendship, and there should not be any doubt in anybody's mind about my political career, which is a past, and my professional career, which is the past, and my political career, we are only looking to take Goa ahead, and we will show it by our actions. I'm not worried about whatever false propaganda that is coming.